Although butterfly bush grows easily in our region, it is not native to North America. The Budlegia genus originated in central China and migrated across Asia and to the Americas, evolving into over 140 species as it spread. B. Davidi, the most commonly cultivated species in our region, is a native. Butterfly bush is a deciduous shrub that can grow up to 15 feet high. The opposite growing leaves, 5 to 10 inches long, have jagged edges. Butterfly bush blooms from midsummer to early fall. Flowers form drooping or upright spikes at the end of branches. The wild origin species is white-flowered with orange or yellow centers. Varieties bred for the garden are typically purple, or they may have pink, blue, magenta, yellow, or maroon blooms. Butterfly bush is extremely successful at reproduction, giving it a competitive advantage over native flowering shrubs. It excels at seed production and dispersal. A study at Longwood Gardens found that there were over 40,000 seeds on a single flower spike. The shrub reaches maturity quite quickly, often producing extremely lightweight, winged seeds within the first year of growth, which travel far distances by way of water or wind. The germination rate is about 80% or above. These seeds can remain viable for 3 to 5 years in soil, and any benefits pollinators, but only at one stage of their life cycle. It attracts butterflies because it provides copious nectar. However, butterflies need host plants on which to lay eggs and on which their caterpillars feed. Not a single native caterpillar eats butterfly bush leaves, but its high reproductive success and dispersal means that butterfly bush replaces native shrubs outside the garden. In natural areas, it establishes in sunny, well-drained sites including fields, roadsides, woods edges, and riverbanks, where native shrubs would have grown. Those vanished native shrubs were essential food sources for caterpillars. Without caterpillars, there will be no adult butterflies. Without caterpillars, birds will not survive. Instead of planting butterfly bush, select a native flowering shrub appropriate for your site that is attractive to pollinators. For sunny, open garden or landscape plantings, try sweet pepper bush, also called summer sweet cleather alnifolio or Virginia sweet Spiridea virginica. For wetter soils, try buttonbush Cephalanthus occidentalis, a food source for moths, or New Jersey Teichinothus americanus. You can also plant drifts of tall native perennials. Favorites of butterflies include blazing star liatris, purple coneflower Echinacea purpurea, giant Hyssop Agastache, Joe-Pye Weed Eutrochium species, and Milkweed Asclepias species. Bush can be difficult to manage once it has been established. Seedlings can be manually removed. It is possible to uproot and dig out mature specimens. The roots must be removed or they will re-sprout. Areas around the removal site should be planted with a native ground cover to prevent future seed germination. You must dispose of any plant material completely by burning or putting out in the garbage. Branches left on the ground can root into new shrubs. If you already have butterfly bush as a planting and do not want to remove it, you should prevent the spread out of your garden by removing old flower heads in the fall prior to seed dispersal. Dispose of the flower heads in a controlled manner. Do not dump clippings or flower heads in natural areas or compost piles. Goats can be helpful as a control method since they consume butterfly bush. Although grazing alone cannot entirely eradicate the weed, in tandem with another method, such as manual removal, they can be a successful control. Non-invasive variants. There have been recent introductions to the garden markets of purportedly non-invasive butterfly bush. These varieties may be an option. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And shares the amazing planet Philippines. Maraming salamat hanggang sa muling episode. Bye-bye.